G'day folks, welcome to the Desert Eagle channel. This is the quick review of the Desert Eagle barrel systems. There's two types of barrel available on the Desert Eagle, and I don't think anybody's ever done a review on them on YouTube, so I'm going to try and attempt to be the first. You're currently looking at the breech area of an MRI or Magnum Research Incorporated Desert Eagle one-piece barrel. As you can see, looking inside, you're looking down the bore. It's a polygonal rifling, and you can see at the 6 o'clock position here is the screw, and behind that screw is a gas block, and behind that is a 2mm gas channel that runs to the front of the firearm and then takes a 90-degree angle and comes out into the gas bore down in here where the piston sits. You'll also see inside, if I use my pointer, you can see this ring, this black ring inside the chamber. That's the gas bleed ring, and right there at 6 o'clock is the actual hole where the gas is tapped off and then is sent forward. It's a short stroke gas system. It's a very short dwell time. The gas system is charged only for milliseconds literally, because the bullet sits just above the gas port, and the impulse is very, very sudden. It uses all the pressure in one short stroke. So these are running 33 to 36,000 psi, and unlike an AR-15 where the gas bleed will be up at the muzzle end or closer to the muzzle. So this is a short stroke gas operated system. You're at the back of the breech face here. You'll see the locking lugs, 1, 2, 3. This is the ejector channel where the ejector goes through, and the bolt rotates into battery clockwise and unrotates anti-clockwise to go out of battery as it is extracted, making it the only short stroke gas operated bolt action rotating pistol in the world that I'm aware of. Currently in production. There were others like the Automag and the Wildy, but they're not made anymore, and they're more collector's items. So it's a very unique system. Let's move across quickly to the Israeli system, and you will see down here at the 6 o'clock position we do not have the port that we have on the American, because it's up here at 8 o'clock. Yes, on the MRI version, on the Israeli weapon industry barrel, which is a two-piece barrel, the gas block is here. And you'll see that it is a two-piece barrel. By looking here, you'll see a line separating the two pieces. These are two separate pieces, and this line here is the division between them. This is a brushed chrome finish, so you can clearly see that line. If you drive this pin out here, you can separate these two components. You can drive out the gas block here with a punch, and you can gain access to the channel, which is the gas system, which runs down to the front here, and then you put a 2mm drill bit down there to unclog it if you can be bothered. It's a hell of a job. Not many people have done it. So normally these pistols are not designed to shoot cast lead projectiles, and you will avoid your warranty from Magnum Research if you do shoot them through there if the gun is new. Although some people do shoot coated or plated bullets through these and seem to have had quite a good success, but I don't warrant that at all. I would suggest you shoot jacketed projectiles through these at all times, and you must try and use hot ammunition, hot loads, because the system needs it to cycle the weapon. It's got 4 recoil springs behind this system, so it needs a lot of energy to cycle the pistol. Just a bit of interest for you quickly at the front here. The barrel, the gas port runs along here and actually is overboard past where it taps off down into the gas port down here. Instead of it being, people think it's a 90-degree angle, and it's not. Right here is actually, it's overboard, so imagine it more of a T intersection here with a hole running down into here, and the reason that is done is to help any debris accumulate at the back here instead of getting caught in the corner. So a sharp right angle corner would not be a good idea on a gas system like this, because obviously debris would start to accumulate in the corner and possibly block the system. So it's overboard about 3 to 5mm, I think, further past the hole. So if you ever get a chance to get a mirror inside here, for any of you Desert Eagle buffs, I have looked inside there and I've looked up, and that's how I noticed that it had been overboard. So interesting. Other than that, the two barrels are almost identical except for the flutes. You can see on the American barrel there is no flutes, there are no flutes, and on the Israeli there are flutes along the barrel which do help with cooling a bit. Other than that, they're both Mark 19 barrels, and side by side there they are together, and you can see they're almost identical except for how the gas systems have been bored. I hope that was of interest to you guys, and talk to you soon. Cheers.